Are you living paycheck to paycheck? You're not alone. This is a common struggle that many face. Millions of people are stuck in this cycle, feeling the weight of financial stress every single day. It's a stressful way to live, constantly worrying about how to make ends meet. Imagine this, you work hard all month, you get paid. You feel a brief moment of relief, then, almost immediately your money disappears. It's like watching sand slip through your fingers. Rent, bills, groceries, it all adds up so quickly, leaving you with barely anything. You're left with little to nothing until the next paycheck, and the cycle starts all over again. This is the reality for many people, a never-ending loop of financial anxiety. Living this way creates constant worry, making it hard to sleep or focus on anything else. You're always on edge about money, fearing the next unexpected expense. An unexpected expense can throw your entire life into turmoil, making it feel impossible to get ahead. It's time to break free. You deserve financial peace and stability. You deserve to feel in control of your money, to know where every dollar is going. It's time to take charge and start building a better future, one where you are in control. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about numbers, it impacts your entire life. The constant stress can affect your health and relationships. When you're worried about money, it's hard to focus on anything else. You might lose sleep, you might feel anxious or depressed. This constant pressure can take a toll on your well-being. It can also strain your relationships. Money arguments are common among couples. Financial stress can make it hard to enjoy life's simple pleasures. It's time to break free from this cycle. You deserve to live a life free from financial worry. You deserve to enjoy your life without the constant burden of money stress. So, what keeps people trapped in this cycle of financial stress and uncertainty? There are several common causes that contribute to this ongoing struggle. One major culprit is the lack of a budget. Without a clear plan for your money, it's easy to overspend without realizing it. Many people don't track their expenses, leading to financial chaos. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Small, unnoticed expenses can add up quickly, creating a significant drain on your finances. Unexpected expenses are another challenge. Car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can derail even the most careful budget. These unforeseen costs can hit hard and fast. These unexpected costs can quickly drain your savings, leaving you scrambling to make ends meet. When your emergency fund is depleted, it becomes even harder to recover. Sometimes the problem is simply not earning enough. The rising cost of living makes it difficult to keep up, especially for those in low-paying jobs. Inflation and stagnant wages compound the issue. You might be working hard, but your income isn't enough to cover your essential expenses. This can lead to a cycle of debt and financial stress. Don't worry, there's hope. In the next section, we'll explore practical solutions to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Stay tuned for tips and strategies to regain control of your finances and build a more secure future. Breaking free, your action plan. This is where your journey to financial independence truly begins. Breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle starts with a well-thought-out plan. It's about taking control of your financial future. These steps will guide you towards financial freedom, providing a clear path to follow. First, create a budget. This is your roadmap. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Knowing where every dollar goes is crucial. See where your money is going. This awareness is the first step to making informed decisions. Identify areas where you can cut back. Small changes can lead to significant savings. This is the foundation of your financial turnaround. A balanced budget is empowering. Next, build an emergency fund. This is your safety net. Start with a small goal, like $1,000. It's a manageable target. This will cover unexpected expenses and prevent you from going into debt. It's your financial cushion. Third, explore ways to increase your income. Diversifying your income streams is key. Can you get a raise? Don't hesitate to ask for what you deserve. Can you find a side hustle? Extra income can make a big difference. Bringing in more money can accelerate your journey to financial stability. Every bit helps. These steps may seem small, but they are powerful. Each one builds on the last. Consistently following them will make a huge difference in your financial life. Stay committed and watch your progress. A story of triumph. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle for years. She felt hopeless and trapped. Then, Sarah decided to make a change. She created a budget and started tracking her spending. She cut back on unnecessary expenses. She even picked up a side hustle walking dogs. It wasn't easy, but Sarah was determined. Within a year, she had saved up a 3-month emergency fund. She was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Sarah's story proves that anyone can break free from this cycle. It starts with a decision to take control of your finances. your journey to financial peace. Remember, breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and discipline, but it's possible. Start today, create a budget, build your emergency fund, look for ways to increase your income. Small steps lead to big changes. You deserve financial peace of mind. You deserve to live a life free from money worries. Take control of your finances and start building the future you deserve. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your experiences and tips for breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle in the comments below. Let's help each other achieve financial freedom.